Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building a two-transistor SR latch circuit. No ICs, no chips, just two transistors and a handful of resistors. Press one button, LED locks on. Press another, it shuts off. I'll explain exactly how every component works. So let's get started. Two BC547 NPN transistors, Q1 and Q2. That's the heart of this circuit. Now, here's the clever part. The collector of Q1 connects to the base of Q2, and the collector of Q2 connects back to the base of Q1. Each transistor controls the other. That cross-connection is what makes this circuit latch and remember. Now, let's talk action. Press S2, the set button. Q2's base current gets pulled to ground. Q2 turns off. Current rushes through R2 straight into the load. LED lights up. At the same time, current flows through R3 and biases Q1. Q1 turns on. Q1 now holds Q2 off all by itself. Release the button, LED stays on. The circuit remembers. Now press S1, the reset button. Q1's base gets shorted to ground. Q1 turns off. Q2 now gets biased through R4. Q2 turns on, pulls the output low, LED goes off. Release the button, still dark, still latched. Two stable states. Holds either one until you tell it to switch. No chip, no code, just two transistors talking to each other. One last thing. Press both buttons at the same time. Both transistors cut off. Both outputs go high together. That's the forbidden state. In any real design, never do that. Hope that made sense. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple circuit builds. See you in the next one.